Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by washing with a residue-free shampoo, then towel blot to damp. Once done, use your fingers to separate hair into uneven sections. This creates natural, varied locks. Make sure to remove large tangles with fingers only. Avoid combing that creates uniform parts. As you form each section, twist lightly at the roots and palm roll the length to encourage knotting. Keep moving around the head. You want roughly 1 to 2 inch widths in most areas for faster locking. You now focus on encouraging matting. Palm roll each section daily with rhythmic pressure, alternating directions to build knots rather than flattening. Once done, let natural friction work. Sleep on a cotton pillowcase or wear a breathable scarf. Make sure not to oversmooth with silk. Avoid frequent shampooing during early months. When you wash, gently squeeze and blot rather than rubbing. Over the next months, monitor split sections and loosely separate any joined roots by finger pulling to keep individual dreads forming. You finish by letting mature knots set for 6 to 12 months before trimming stray ends. Trim carefully to preserve integrity. Once done, check roots. If you find weak spots, use a small crochet needle sparingly to pull loose fibers into the dread, but be cautious. Overuse causes thinning. Make sure to manage frizz with regular palm rolling and a tiny bit of residue-free gel. If a dread splits, gently bind the two pieces and palm roll until they rejoin. Maintain patience. Freeform takes time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.